Hi, this is Anand. We are AV Fashion. This is the office space done by Mr. Shindo and his team. This is actually our second project with Mr. Shindo. First, he has done one of our residential project in Coimbatore. It has come out exceptionally very well, and that inspired us to give him the next project of this office space. We requested him to do this, and he has given his wonderful inputs to this office design, and the way it has been executed now. The result is exceptionally outstanding, and the work he has done is phenomenal. We are very much thankful to him and to his team to have this wonderful office done.